Very good morning, class 4. Yes. How are you, students? All good? Great. So now take out your maths book and maths copy also. And now open exercise 18. And now open fresh page in your maths copy. So we have already done till question number 4 of exercise 18. Right? Yes. So today we will continue exercise 18, right, from question number 5. So question number 5 is Mrs. Vandana withdrew 9040 rupees from her bank account. Mrs. Vandana ने 9040 रुपये विड्रॉल किए हैं बैंक अकाउंट से. द कैशियर पेड हर द मनी इन 20 रुपीज़ डिनोमिनेशन. और कैशियर ने पेड कितनी की है मनी उसको 20 रुपीज़. सो हाउ मेनी नोट्स डिड शी गेट. तो उसके पास उसने कितने नोट्स दिए, राइट. मिसिस वंदना withdrew money from her bank account equals to rupees 9040. Now the cashier paid money equals to 20 rupees. Now she get money equals to 9040 divided by 20. So now let's divide 9040 divided by 20. So dividend is 9040, it means 9040, and divisor is 20. So we begin from the left. Since the divisor is 2-digit number, so we begin from the left, that means this, that is with the 1000. So since 20, there is 90, right? Yes. So 20 goes into 90. So 24s are 80. So write 4 in the quotient, and 24s are 80. Now we subtract 80 from 90 is subtracting 1. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 9 minus 8 is 1. Now bring down 4 to make 104. So 20 goes into 105. 104 is 5 times. Write 5 after 4 in the quotient, and 25 is 100. Now we subtract 100 from 104. 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring down 0 to make 40. So 21s are 20 and 22s are 40. So write 2 after 5 in the quotient, and 22s are 40. Now we subtract 40 minus 40 is 0. So she get money 452 rupees. Now second one is question number 6. A train covers a distance of 928 km is 24 hours. How much distance does it cover in 1 hour? So it means in one day there are how many hours in a one day? So in one day there are 24 hours, right? So in one day there are 24 hours. And now, so in 24 hours a train covers a distance of 8928 kilometers. So in 24 hours a train covers a distance a train covers a distance eight nine two 8 kilometers. So we have to find how much distance does it cover in 1 hour. So therefore it will cover distance in 1 hour. It will cover distance in 1 hour equals to 8928 divided by 24. So now let's divide 8928 by 24. Since the divisor is a 2-digit number, so we begin from the left hand side, right? That is with the 1000. 89, this is 1000 and this is 100. So the first two leftmost digit of the dividend, and this number is 89 and this number is 24. So 24 ones are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 4 threes are 12, 3 twos are 6, 6, 7. So 72 is near about 89, right? So 24 goes into 89 is 3 times. So write 3 just above 9 in the quotient. 24 3 is 72. Now subtract 72 from 89. So subtracting ones, 9 minus 2 is 7 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So 17 is less than 24. So bring down 2 to make 172. So we find 24 3s are 72. 24 6 are 6 4s are 24. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. And 24 7s are 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14, 14, 15, 16. 168 is near about 172. So 24 goes into 172 is 7 times. So write 7 after 3 in the quotient and 168. Now let's subtract 168 from 172. So now subtracting ones. So we want to subtract 8 from 2. Is it possible? No. So from the tens we borrowing 1 10 and leaving behind 6 10. And in ones position 1 10 plus 2 ones becomes 12 ones. So 12 minus 8 is 4 and 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring down 8 to make 48. So 24 goes into 48 is 2 times. 24 twos are 48. Now we subtract 48 from 48 is 0. So it covers distance 48 kilometers in 1 hour, right? It covers distance 372 kilometers. It covers distance 372 kilometers in 1 hour. So do this work in your fair copy. And so your homework is do question number 7, 8 in your copy. Do question number 7, 8 of exercise 18 in your copy. So thank you so much class and have a nice day.